Before you build an automation product, you must understand the recipe behind it. Selling automation doesn't start with tools. It starts with ingredients. Today, I'll reveal the 7 elements every profitable automation system must have before anyone buys it. Miss just one ingredient, and your product becomes unscalable, confusing, or impossible to sell consistently. Sellable automation always solves a painful, expensive problem. Businesses only pay when something hurts. Slow follow-ups, inconsistent onboarding, lost leads, messy operations. If your automation doesn't remove a real pain, it becomes a cool tool instead of a profitable solution. Your first job is identifying a problem people hate dealing with and want fixed immediately. People don't buy your automation. They buy the result it guarantees. A scalable system promises something measurable. More leads answered, less manual work, faster onboarding, fewer missed tasks. When the outcome is clear, clients instantly understand the value. If your automation can't quantify improvements, it becomes harder to justify the price or explain its impact. A sellable automation system must work the same way every single time. No surprises, no manual tweaks, no, let me fix this first. Clients pay for consistency, not complexity. When your flow is reliable and predictable, it becomes a true product instead of a custom project. Repeatability is what transforms your automation into something scalable. A sellable automation feels effortless. If the client needs to think too much, click too much, or understand technical logic, they'll lose interest. Simplicity creates trust. Your job is to make the experience feel like magic. One input, one click, one clear result. When the user experience is smooth, buyers instantly believe your system can work for them. No matter how powerful your automation is, clients judge it by what they see. A clean dashboard, simple form, or organized control panel instantly makes your system feel premium, even if it's built on basic tools. Presentation is perception. When your interface looks polished, clients believe they're buying a real product, not a messy workflow hidden behind the scenes. Hidden people don't buy automation. They buy confidence that someone will help them if things go wrong. A strong service layer includes onboarding assistance, clear guidance, simple documentation, and quick support responses. This removes fear and builds trust. When clients feel supported, they buy faster, stay longer, and recommend your system because they know they're not left alone. You need a simple, believable story that shows how your automation helps real people. A 30-second demo, a relatable example, or a quick before and after narrative makes prospects think, this could work for me. When your story is clear, emotional, and easy to understand, buyers stop focusing on features and start imagining the transformation. If your automation lacks even one ingredient, clear outcomes, a clean interface, a strong service layer, or a believable story, it instantly becomes harder to sell. Buyers hesitate, overthink, or lose trust. Think of these 7 ingredients as a checklist. When all of them are present, your automation becomes irresistible, premium, and easy to close consistently. Each ingredient works because it triggers an emotional response. Solving a painful problem creates relief. A clear outcome builds confidence, simplicity reduces anxiety, and a story creates belief. Selling automation is emotional first, logical second. When you intentionally tie each ingredient to how the buyer feels, your system becomes compelling, memorable, and far easier to sell. Throughout the video, naturally guide viewers to your prior content. If you want to pick the right pain point, watch episode 3. Or for front-end setup tips, check yesterday's video. This builds authority, encourages binge watching, and increases session time. It positions your channel as a complete roadmap for creating, selling, and scaling automation products effectively. Before revealing each ingredient, tease its importance. The next ingredient is what separates good automations from truly sellable ones. And most creators completely miss it. This curiosity gap keeps viewers watching. By the time you reveal the ingredient, they feel rewarded and more likely to absorb the lesson. Curiosity is a powerful retention tool. Whenever possible, illustrate each ingredient with a relatable example. A small business saving hours, a team reducing mistakes, or a freelancer automating repetitive tasks. Concrete stories make abstract concepts tangible. Examples also increase trust and belief in your system. When viewers can picture the result in their own context, desire and engagement soar. Most automation creators focus only on features, ignoring these 7 ingredients. They build powerful tools but fail to sell because clients don't see transformation, simplicity, or support. Pointing out these mistakes educates your audience and positions you as the mentor. When viewers recognize their own errors, they are more likely to follow your guidance and adopt your system. Break down how to apply the 7 ingredients in order. Start with identifying a painful problem. Then define measurable outcomes, create repeatable flows, design simple UX, polish the interface, add a service layer, and finish with a believable story. A clear roadmap makes it actionable. When viewers can follow steps, they feel confident building their own sellable automation. Explain that only when all 7 ingredients work together does the automation become truly sellable. Missing one element can ruin trust, clarity, or desirability. Compare it to a recipe. A missing ingredient ruins the dish. When your system is complete, it feels premium, effortless, and irresistible to buyers, making it easier to scale and sell repeatedly. Remind viewers that knowledge alone isn't enough. They must apply it. Suggest they review their existing automations against the 7 ingredients checklist. Encourage experimentation, test, tweak, and observe results. This builds accountability and engagement. By showing the path to improvement, you empower your audience without promising instant success, making your guidance practical, credible, and valuable. If you found this breakdown useful, make sure you subscribe to Artificial Intelligence Explained for daily episodes that help you build smarter automations faster. Drop your questions below and tell me which ingredient you want a full tutorial on next. Your automation journey starts here, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way.